guys know I haven't had a lot of luck when it comes to side skirts. I had Workshop X, which I didn't really like the style of. Bought some Vertex, which I like the style of, but they just were horrible and did not fit even remotely close. And at the last minute I decided to get these New Zealand made MSpec style side skirts, which go for that OEM look I'm going for and match the GTR front bumper really well. Even better, they fit mint. I'm so stoked. I just need a second set of hands on the weekend to drill some holes and fit it up properly, but so good. Made by this company here, Downforce Customs out of Christchurch. Highly recommend. Next up, we're going to modify the front bumper to close some of these gaps up and get it fitting a bit nicer before paint. There's a bit of a gap between each headlight, so we're going to move the mounts a little bit, close the gap up, make it look a lot tidier. Now with the bumper off, we're going to make a few adjustments and realign the bumper support to close that gap up between the bumper and the lights. And then we're going to move on to the side skirts and see if we can get them sorted and fitting nicely. Here we go, guys. Here's the result. Much closer gap in by the headlight. We've managed to close it up. Much better. So, put it all back together. Now it's time to move on to the side skirts. And we're going to have a look at the end caps too, because I'm still undecided whether I want to run the end caps or not, but going to have a go, paint them up, see what we think. But yeah, we're getting there. So the boys have come over to help, taking over the street to work on the R32. Got the bumper all sorted now. Now it's on to the side skirts. Clint's new GD86. Making serious progress. So trim, adjust, trim, adjust.
I reckon. Yeah, it's good. Fine.
It's getting super close.
And there's no...
This is what the boys have been working on. We've got it super close around here, fitting much nicer. On and off, sand, on and off, trim. Beautiful. The front's all fitted up now. Put a couple of riv nuts down there. Some nice new hardware. Now we're going to move on to the back. Managed to get them to fit really nice. It probably helped that they were really nice fitting straight away. But a little bit of manipulation, we're good to go. And now this side skirt is all finished. A couple of riv nuts, a couple of new fixings, boom, good to go. This fits really good. It's really close, can't beat the quality. And here is the finished result, guys. I couldn't be more stoked. MSpec end caps, MSpec side skirts, GTR front bumper. It's looking so good, man. This really suits the car and the OEM Plus look I was going for. I can't thank Dan and Clint enough for their help today. Always good to hang out with the boys. My wife Suzanne, daughter Quinn for their help, and Downforce Customs for making a really high quality side skirt. Like honestly, it took very little manipulation to make this fit. Perfect. Couldn't recommend enough. Thanks for watching another video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll keep the content coming.